Hello, everyone out there. In the series, we were discussing the important days of December 2024, and the next day in this series is World Soil Day, that is celebrated on December 5th, 2024. Soil health for a sustainable future, because the pollution is increasing and soil health is degrading, leading to the polluted food, polluted water. Everything that comes out of the soil is polluted. So soil health is very important, so that we observe soil World Soil Day on December 5th. Introduction is World Soil Day is celebrated every year on December 5th. The day raises awareness about the importance of healthy soils for food security and ecosystem, because all the food coming from the soil, all the crops and agriculture activities are related to the soil. So everything is related to soil. When soil is polluted, the food we get, the water we get, or ecosystem services related to soil are polluted, and they get interrupted for production of the great food. The theme for 2024 is caring for soils, measure, monitor and manage. What are the measures to stop the pollution, how to monitor the pollution, and how to manage the pollution, how to manage the healthy soil. This day highlights the importance of soil conservation and sustainable soil management. Why is soil important? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइजेज जब हम सॉइल की इतनी बात कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन तो यही आता है कि सॉइल इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्यों. बिकॉज जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, फाउंडेशन ऑफ फूड सिक्योरिटी, ऑल द फूड्स, दैट इज ऑल द प्लांट रिलेटेड फूड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द सॉइल. और इफ वी फीड ऑन some non-vegetarian foods, then that organism is also feeding on the plant. So everything that comes from all the nutrients are channelized from the soil. So soil health is quite important. Again, next point is biodiversity. Soil supports countless species of microorganisms and some flora and fauna, invertebrates, vertebrates. So all the species are related to soil. For example, earthworm, the farmer's friend, is related to the soil, and they play a crucial role in biodiversity in managing the food chain. Climate regulation, healthy soil stores carbon, help mitigating the climate change. They store nitrogen and various other nutrients for the plant growth, but they also help to mitigate the climate change. Water filtration, that is, if there is some soil that have the logged water that is somehow contaminated or have the impurities, only the pure water filters in, and the groundwater is channelized, groundwater is recharged, having the improved water quality and preventing the flooding situations. Next is global soil degradation crisis. The graph here taken from the FAO represents the soil health. 33% of the soil globally is degraded due to the human activities, urbanization or concrete or industrial influence in various regions. Soil erosion, desertification and pollution are the leading threats to soil health. They mainly cause the degradation of the soil health, and unsustainable agricultural practices like unjustified use of agrochemicals involve all the things, pesticide, insecticide or fertilizers. All of these things are included in agrochemicals, not only insecticide and pesticides but the fertilizers. Unjustified use of fertilizer, where we require only 10 kg of the fertilizers and farmers are unknowingly using around 50 kg of fertilizers. Then these fertilizers get involved in the food chain, leading to pollution. Next is major threats to the soil health are soil erosion, that is losing the topsoil due to the deforestation. जैसे यहाँ पे आप जो सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं, that is जहाँ से हमने प्लांट्स को कट कर दिया है, जो बाइंड करके रखते थे सोइल को, जहाँ से हमने वो कट कर दिया है, जैसे जैसे डिफोरेस्टेशन होता जाएगा वहाँ से सोइल इरोजन, improper farming or deforestation or water loss that lead to the removing of the top layer of the soil, that is the fertilizer fertilized one, having the fertilizers and the nutrient for the plant growth. Soil pollution is another major threat for the soil health. Desertification, land degradation in arid regions, and climate change alters rain pattern, erosions, and soil is becoming less fertile. Healthy soil is equals to healthy food, because healthy soils contain all the micronutrients, all the microorganisms that are required for the healthy food. Whenever the soil is healthy, the food coming out of the soil is healthy. Soil is the foundation for the food. Whenever anything happens with the soil health degrades, that lead to collapse of the food system, hunger and food insecurities. So theme emphasize the critical role of soil conservation in ensuring the sustainable agriculture. There are some global initiatives for soil protection like FAO Global Soil Partnership that says that sustainable soil management and conservation efforts advocates उसके लिए efforts कर रहे हैं ये to maintain the soil health. UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration aims to restore degraded lands and improve soil quality. National soil policies, government worldwide are implementing soil conservation laws and practices to maintain the soil health. Next is action to protect and restore the soil health, support sustainable agriculture so that the food grown in that particular ecosystem is eco-friendly and doesn't lead a burden on the soil health. Reduce pollution, limiting the use of the chemicals, agrochemicals or effluents from the factories or plastic waste or other effluents that damage the soil. Reforest degraded areas. Deforestation is the major cause of the soil erosion, while reforesting or afforestation or planting more and more trees and grasses, herbs and shrubs restore the eroded lands. Educate and advocate, raise awareness. The most important thing is to aware the youth so that they can participate in conserving the ecosystem, whether that is related to air, soil, water or any type of the ecosystem services. Only awareness can protect our environment from degradation. Next, there are some examples of successful soil conservation where it shows the before the soil conservation or before the efforts of the communities or the humans or individual of different communities, and after there are so much of the forestation, so much plants, and such a beautiful healthy soil is present in this particular area. The Lu Plateau, China, a large scale reforestation project that reverse soil erosion and improve the local livelihood. Sahel initiatives, Africa, regenerative agriculture efforts to restore soils and prevent desertification in arid regions. India's zero budget natural farming, a method of farming that enhances soil fertility and avoids harmful effect. Along with this, in India there are some natural or organic farming courses are being run by the government to initiate or to incubate or to involve the youth in the soil conservation measures. Now, to ways to celebrate and raise awareness, first of all, educational events, host talks, webinars, workshops, and inform others about the soil health via any media, via the social media, via the print media, or anything like this that can spread awareness in the public. Plant trees and gardens so that they can participate in the local planting tree and community gardens so that the AQI that is degrading day by day can be restored. Spread awareness about any social media platforms or and how to protect it. Support soil protection projects, donate and volunteer organizations working in soil conservation. That can be financial or that can be physical, where we can involve in the planting measures and involve in the growing more and more trees in the livelihood. A immediate call or urgent to action for soil conservation is soils are vital for the health of the environment, providing food, water and climate regulation. Protecting and restoring soil health is essential for sustainable future. Join global efforts to conserve soil and secure food for future generations so that our progenies can feed on the pure or a little less contaminated food as compared to us. Thank you so much. If you like the video, if you like this series, please do subscribe to my channel. You can like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. If there are any question related into this video, the questions are most welcomed in the comment section. Thank you so much.